Sometimes creation is just about fixing something. This is a Cardinal thermometer. Woohoo! Cardinal thermometer. These little suction cups have become basically useless over the years. It's over 10 years old. Let's get some things out here to fix it. We're going to just use a everyday carry screwdriver that I carry around with me. Just one of the suction cups out. We take one of the here's just bought 5 large suction cups with hooks. They look similar in size, about the same size. Put that on top, put that there, line it up, push down a little bit. Say a little prayer to the suction cup God that we're going in the right way. Alright, that one started up. Alright, so there's one suction cup replaced, and the thing's not sticking through, so that's good. It's not wobbly. We'll go for the other. This is a LL Bean thermometer that was given to me as a present. Of course, I called all the aircraft in the area so that they would ruin our take here, but now for this little hook here, you can just push that right off, get it out of the way. It's not needed. Now notice I'm just using the bit this time because it's a Phillips bit, and on the other end is a standard thread. Then we can just use this part like this if I want to get a little bit more torque to it. And there we are. Didn't go through, so we're all set right here. And we have a new Cardinal thermometer. That is our creation for today. Repairing and replacing suction cups. It's not always about creating. A lot of times you just have to repair something that you have. Here we have our thermometer in place for another 10 years.